Pacific Northwest Saw Junkie with a Homelight Super 2100 automatic. At 7.0 cubic inches and 114 cc's, these were a true big block saw for big wood. They were 22 pounds, 10 ounces, power head only. They were discontinued in 1972. Couldn't find any information as to when they were produced. Longest bar they came provided with was 60 inches. This one does have a nice full wrap handle and a brand new Windsor Duratip bar. Thanks for watching.